John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Christos. Christos has been trading with us from the 1st of March 2021 up until the present day of review, 25th of March 2021. Christos has achieved his first 10% with a total of 27 trades. Reviewing Christos's account, he's got a daily rate gain of 0.34% with a monthly gain of 8.53%. At present, Christos is now managing 30,000 US dollars. And as we can look at the trades, Christos has had a total of 27 trades. And looking at the statistics, he's won 15 out of 27, which represents 56%. He has lost 12 of 27 trades, which represents 44%. So Christos is 56% effective with his strategy. Trading is more psychological than actually technical, and your habits and your trading plan will always determine your success. And clearly, this is what we're seeing reflecting in Christos's account. Christos has been trading a consistent lot size at 0.50. As we can see on the pound US dollar pair, we got a consistent pair and a consistent volume size. If we look at page one, just 2 pages of trades, Christos has been trading the pound US dollar, the euro US dollar, and the pound US dollar. So Christos has only been trading 2 pairs. And what we can see with Christos is he's consistent with his lot sizes. The only thing I'll put a question mark on, and I don't recommend, is not trading without a stop loss. Trading without a stop loss is very risky. You're going to lose money if the market goes in the opposite direction. It opens the door to mistakes, error, uncertainty. Um, you haven't got clarity with your emotional judgment, and you sabotage a good trade or a bad trade. So in other words, it only opens the door to more potential risk and loss. So I always recommend people trade with a stop loss. In order to have an edge in the market, persistence, a trading edge, which is down to having a stop loss, a trading plan, the right psychology and mindset, and that will help you achieve your goals. So clearly from what we can see now, Christos has lost a significant amount of $291, 315, 312. But at the same time, Christos has gained $206, $242, and he's gained before. So it's always an up and down journey, because with trading, you can be right or wrong and still end up in profit. Looking at what Christos has traded over time, we can see Christos has only traded 2 pairs, the Euro US dollar and the pound US dollar. And Christos is very effective trading the pound US dollar, which has given Christos his 10%, where he's traded this a total of 26 times and achieved his goal. So I can't really say a lot, but all I would say is, Christos, please always try to trade with a stop loss. It only makes your life easier. And what you can look at as well to avoid some of these big losses, ask yourself, am I in the right mindset to trade? Am I chasing the market? Are there any market events happening? Is there accumulation in the market, manipulation? Is a trend in place? Are there liquidity hunts? Am I over leveraging my position? Have I got the right entry point, the exit point, my risk, and what's my exit? These are just some variables you can add to your trading plan to help you make a more informed decision and reduce your losses over time. You can also look at, what time will I trade the markets? When will I do my analysis? Will I add any more pairs to my strategy? What are my rules of engagement? Why did my trade go wrong? Why did my trade go right? What can I do to improve? So these are things we can always take to improve the market conditions and your trading results. So this is a very good effort, Christos, not taking nothing away from you. Congratulations in achieving your 10%. And I wish you all the best moving forward. And I look forward to seeing the next account stage you move on to, which will be 60,000. And I'll be making a note of these points I made as well. And we can see how your journey has improved. And I wish you all the best with your trading.